Welcome to part 2 of BRT Implementation Methods video series by Pentap. Here we present you with methods to improve the heating load in your building. Closing gaps or openings of enclosed spaces from the outer surroundings can go a long way improving the efficiency of your heating and air conditioning systems. For example, a 2-inch gap under an outside door is the same size as a soccer ball. A soccer ball sized hole would be fixed quickly, while under-door gaps can be ignored for years. Weather stripping can help you close such openings, thereby improving the effectiveness of your HVAC system. When ducting runs outside or through unoccupied space, improper duct insulation can cause a large amount of heat loss. Imagine a cold winter with 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside, while the temperature inside the duct is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Uninsulated ducts will cause heat exchange between the hot air within the duct and the ambient air, resulting in heat loss, needing more operation from the HVAC system. Programmable thermostats are an easy solution to adjust the indoor ambient temperature. Set the indoor temperature at 72 degrees when occupied. Unoccupied buildings can be programmed for lower temperatures in winters to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Since most days have the lowest temperature overnight when the building is unoccupied, a programmable thermostat limits the operation during the coldest time of the day. A building automation system, commonly called a BAS, can help you centrally control the thermostats, including preventing changes to thermostats. These simple steps can reduce your energy bills significantly. There are several ways to retune your building. Watch all the videos in this series to learn about ways to retune your building. For details, please visit pentap.psu.edu or call Pentap at 814-865-0427.